Your TV is good, but what if it could be smarter? Meet the Amazon Fire TV Stick HD. Compact in design, yet powerful in performance, it brings you fast HD streaming, thousands of apps, and Alexa voice control, all with a simple plug-and-play setup. It's everything you need for seamless entertainment, packed into one small device.
Alexa, what movie has the line, "You're killing me, Smalls"?
What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Amazon Fire TV Stick HD, Alexa voice remote, 2 AAA batteries, power adapter, HDMI extender, and a power cable. Want to grab the Amazon Fire TV Stick HD from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features. Enjoy smooth and crisp, full HD 1080p, streaming for a clear picture on standard HTDVS. Supports high dynamic range, HDR, HDR10, and HDR10+ for enhanced color and contrast. Ideal for displays that do not have 4K resolution. Feel scenes come to life with support for immersive Dolby Atmos audio on select titles when connected to a compatible home audio system. The device also supports HDMI audio pass-through for other Dolby-encoded audio formats. Powered by a 1.7 GHz quad-core processor for fast app starts and fluid navigation while streaming in full HD. The dual-band, dual-antenna, Wi-Fi MIMO ensures a reliable connection for a smoother streaming experience. Access a vast library of streaming services, including Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Max, YouTube, and more. It also provides a large selection of free, ad-supported content. Control your TV and smart home devices with the included Alexa voice remote, and access a growing library of cloud-streamed video games from services like Amazon Luna and Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Specifications. Setup. Plug the Fire TV Stick into your TV's HDMI port and connect the USB cable to the power adapter. Always use the wall socket instead of the TV's USB port for stable power. Then, switch your TV input to the correct HDMI channel to see the Fire TV logo appear. Insert the included batteries into your Fire TV remote. It should pair automatically. If not, press and hold the home button for about 10 seconds. Once paired, follow the on-screen prompts to connect the Fire Stick to your home Wi-Fi network. Log in with your Amazon account or create one if you don't already have it. You'll then be able to set up parental controls, install your favorite apps like Netflix or YouTube, and enable Alexa voice commands for easier navigation. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Amazon Fire TV Stick HD. See you in the next one.